You're going to be turning this
into this.
Zombie apocalypse.
The materials that I'm going to be using today is a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, my desired paints, primers, and clear coats, a small bucket, a rag, and my airsoft gun of choice. So to get started, we're going to take the slide and the butt cap off of the magazine. So let's get right into it. I can't get this blowback system to come out, so I'm just going to leave that in. Hope it doesn't break anything. But now we're going to tape everything off, and then from there we'll start the priming. Now for priming, you can use newspaper, or I'm just using a brown paper bag. You could go outside, which would probably be the best option. But this is what I have, so I can get it on video pretty well. And I'm going to be using just a Rust-Oleum black paint primer. I'm going to be using this as paint too later, but just wanted to give it a base coat. So that pretty much does it for the primer. It's a pretty thick layer, but now we just have to wait for it to dry, and then we will be back. Okay, so I've let the slide dry for about an hour and a half. It says it was touch dry in about 25 minutes, so I believe we should be good to try the hydro dip. So the design I'm going to be doing is black, this pinkish color, and then silver. What I've seen is you have to do this pretty quickly, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I've let this dry for quite a while. And this is what it's starting to come out looking like. Personally, I'm liking it. I like the design. It's got like this little rough up here, which I don't know if it'll wipe off a little bit, make it a little bit more smooth and even, but I like it. I mean, I don't know what caused that. You can kind of see it there. But overall, I think it looks good. So I'm going to throw a clear coat on it, let that dry, and then we'll put it all back together. Yeah, I like that. That'll be nice. So let's put that clear coat on there, let that dry, and we'll be back. Oh, I painted this pink, but it was not taking, it was just pooling up, and so I ended up just wiping off the paint before it dried because it was not going to turn out well at all. So take this, just a matte clear coat. Okay, so it has been a couple days since I clear coated this. So you can see it's looking quite nice, I believe. So I'm going to get this tape off of here and start putting it all back together. Okay, so there we go. Got it put together, and I think that is looking quite nice. So, got a couple BBs in here. Gonna make sure the magazine is filled. Okay. So, got a couple BBs. Got gas in there. Everything's still working just fine. So there you go. That is how you hydro dip the slide of your Airsoft Glock. That turned out quite beautifully. Thank you very much for watching.